Alam na alam ko po na matatalino mga taga Philippine Military Academy. Hindi po yan ang issue. Ang kina-clarify ko po ay kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban
Yes.
para mapatay, para
Yes.
masabing nanlaban.
Correct.
Correct.
Para
Ito sa very
ma-minimize.
incorrect.
Correct, yes.
Very incorrect po, if I may
Yes,
say, as a
it's not,
civilian, sa professional police.
It
Salamat
depends
kayo,
on,
Mr. Chair.
ano na natin yan, ma'am. That's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, dumaan ako, prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat kayo,
totoo
Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of a community.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you for
Senator
putting it on record,
Tayo
Mr. Chair.
magkaintindihan dyan. At
Alam
kung
yan.
pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
Silence, please.
Osaa, silence the gallery, and those who will do that again, exclude them from the hearing hall.
Gallery, please do not encourage me.
Okay, Mr.
Stay
President. Okay, Mr. President, it's now Senator Estrada who has the floor. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
sir.
Alam niyo po, nag-mayor din po ako ng San Juan, kaya I know where the former president is
Marami
coming
ka rin
from.
siguro pinatay, sir. Alam ko.
Mr. Chair, Mr. President, bibigyan ho namin kayo ng pagkakataon to air your side dahil nung napanood ko po yung mga revelations ng mga resource persons sa Quad Committee sa House of Representatives. Marami po mga revelations po ang mga naglabasan, katulad po ng kay Colonel Garma. Ang sabi po niya, she received a call from you sometime in May 2016. Can you confirm this, Mr. President?
Ay, hindi ako tumatawag ng pulis. Bahay? Yung sabi niya doon sa bahay? Hindi ko pinapupunta ng...
Before you assumed the presidency, you were still president-elect at the time. Sabi niya May 2016. So I presume you were still president-elect, Mr. President.
I do not remember
Calling her.
calling her. And for what? Yung presidente ako, nandyan na yung lahat nasa akin na
Ang sabi po kasi niya dun sa kanyang revelation dun sa Quad Committee, nagpapahanap din po kayo ng isang police officer na miyembro ng INC. Tama po ba ito? Yun po ang sinabi ni Colonel Garma ron sa Quadcom.